I have a Japanese maple, which I believe is an Acer palmatum China. One of the branches of my Japanese maple appears to have died during the winter. What should I do? It is on the south-facing side of the tree. The tree is filtered to full sun year-round. Thanks, and this is Ricky from Corinth, Mississippi. So you have any suggestions for Ricky?
Yeah, so give it some time. We had
Patience.
we had a couple late freezes this year. So give it some time and see if any growth starts appearing on it. And then we talked about the scratch test.
Yeah, so I would, peel back the bark if you can, scratch it, if you will. See if there's any green tissue there. If there's any green tissue, then you may be in luck. So I would practice patience at that time.
Yes.
Right? No green tissue. I would still wait a little bit just to see if it will form some buds on there. If it does not, then I would prune it off.
Sure.
I would do it at that point, Mr. Ricky. But patience, scratch test, and I think that'll help you out. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.